Mert from Germany. Alaykum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
May Allah bless you, Sheikh.
And you?
Sheikh, I have a question regarding marriage. So I live in Germany, and I learned from you that the best way or a very good way to marry is to do it with the help of the family. So my mother introduces me to someone, or my mother knows other women, and they talk and they introduce each other. So I also I think personally that's a very good way, but sometimes I think it's not possible. So, for example, I see a girl in the school, maybe at work, maybe outside, and I think she's attractive or maybe modest Islamically. And of course, I don't know her father or I don't know her family, and my mother also doesn't know her family. So it's not possible directly to go to the family. So I thought, and I heard from many people, that you just go to her in a good manner and say, "Salam, I have good intentions that you want to marry someone or maybe get to know someone," and then you need the number of the father in order to get to know each other. So is this permissible if I don't know her family and if I'm not flirting and just straight to the point that I want the number of the father, Sheikh? May Allah bless you.
Mert, do you have a sister?
Yes, she's 5.
Okay, if she were to be in high school or in university and someone approached her like this, would it be fine with you?
Wallahi, Sheikh, I do what you say.
No, you tell me.
Like, if it's really modest and he just only wants to get to know her father.
How do you know? Your sister comes to you and says, "Wallah, my brother, a very handsome man, came to me today at school and said to me, you are very beautiful and I want to get married to you, so can I have your father's phone?" And I was bashful, I did not respond. What do you think I should say to him tomorrow? What would you say?
So if he says like, "You're beautiful," of course it will be problematic. But like if you only have good intentions and only want to marry, maybe I would say yes.
How do you know? Yani someone who sees a girl randomly in the uni or at school and he likes how she looks. He doesn't know anything about her being a psycho or being a serial killer or being someone who's mentally sick or someone who involves in haram. He just sees the outer shell and he's fine with it. And he wants to proceed to marry. Of course, this is immature. Nevertheless, let's hypothetically assume this is true. I personally believe that approaching a woman like this is totally unacceptable. You like her? Ya akhi, bring your mom or your sister next day and tell them this is a woman. Let them speak to her and let them get her number or see if she is willing to proceed with this or not, but not you.